Savio.
Niranjan, you hit the nail on the head. The problem with the Shiv Sena and the Maharashtra government at this point of time is that they do not like the fact that Republic is asking uncomfortable questions. You must understand that the Shiv Sena predominantly is a party of people who are known to get very violent and attack people who come up against them. So that's their inherent nature. That is something that they have been doing for many years as a party and as an outfit. But now that they are in government and they are being questioned, the same reactions are coming out. This time they've used their newspaper to talk about Republic, talk about Arnab Goswami, because they can't deal with the truth. And the truth of the matter is that the Shiv Sena, as leading the Maharashtra government, it's absolutely failing in ensuring that Sushant Rajput gets justice, as well as the links between the Disha Salian case and Sushant get investigated. So obviously they're trying to cover up for something or someone. We're not sure about it right now, and I hope the CBI gets down to the bottom of it. But it is really making the Maharashtra government very nervous. And Uddhav Thackeray, as the chief minister, is getting very nervous. And I wonder why he is. Is that politician somehow linked to him? We don't know. And that's what the investigations will find out.
Yeah, I have some breaking news, Savio, because the sister of Sushant Singh Rajput has just tweeted. Mrs. Shweta Singh Kirti has just tweeted about the investigation. I think she must have, heard the news. She has said, and I quote, "Our real hero, we love you, Arnab." And this was about 11:18. In about 7 minutes, it's garnered about 2,000 likes on Twitter. Now, the reason I'm reading this tweet out is because perhaps, most often what happens is when politicians are on the back foot, they often forget and fail to sense the mood of the people on the ground. And this is a prime case of how the people who are watching the coverage have seen the loopholes being exposed left, right and center. It's been so visible, Savio, in this case that, we have no choice but to ask the obvious questions, and those obvious questions are uncomfortable. But I think this is one case, Savio, where even the common man has seen through the sham of an investigation.
Yes, the most important thing, Niranjan, is why was the investigation a sham? And that is what the common people are asking. Because the evidences that you have put out, the questions the Republic has been putting out are very valid questions. And that is what the larger audience is asking, because the common man is saying, these are obvious facts that the Maharashtra police has overlooked or deliberately overlooked. So there's absolutely no justification for what the Maharashtra government and the Maharashtra police are doing. And the common people are going to ask, because Sushant was a popular film star, and Sushant was somebody that people loved. Sushant was somebody that people could relate to. And today, if they are demanding for justice for Sushant, at least the Maharashtra government must understand that there is something here that the people of India want, and you're under scrutiny and under watch. However, because the Maharashtra government, with Shiv Sena and NCP at the helm of matters, we know their inherent nature. Their inherent nature is that they do not take questioning from anyone that is uncomfortable. And I'm glad Republic is picking it up, because you must ask them uncomfortable questions, because we would like to know what is making Uddhav Thackeray uncomfortable. Is it got something to do with somebody that is related to him or known to him that has got some involvement at some party level that happened with Sushant and Disha Salian's case? That's what we need to know. But maybe that's making them uncomfortable. And that is why they're attacking Republic.